In this report, we will delve into the recent update for OpenAI on iOS devices. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI language model that enables interactive and natural conversations. The latest update brings a range of enhancements that make ChatGPT even more powerful, accurate, and user-friendly. Let's explore the key benefits and features of this update. 1. Enhanced accuracy and contextual understanding. With the latest update, ChatGPT exhibits improved accuracy and a deeper understanding of context. It generates more precise responses, comprehends complex queries, and offers relevant and helpful information to users. This enhancement enables users to engage in conversations that feel more natural and human-like. 2. Expanded knowledge base. OpenAI has significantly expanded ChatGPT's knowledge base, enriching it with a vast array of up-to-date information. Users can now rely on ChatGPT to provide comprehensive answers across various domains, including general knowledge, specific fields, and the latest news. This expanded knowledge base enhances the quality and reliability of the information provided by ChatGPT. 3. Improved multi-turn conversation handling. The update introduces improved multi-turn conversation handling capabilities to ChatGPT. The model now retains the context of the conversation more effectively, resulting in coherent and consistent responses across multiple exchanges. This enhancement makes conversations flow smoothly and creates a more engaging and interactive experience for users. 4. New interactive prompts and suggestions. OpenAI has introduced interactive prompts and suggestions to enhance the user experience with ChatGPT. Users can now provide system-level instructions to guide ChatGPT's responses, ensuring more accurate and personalized outputs. Additionally, intelligent suggestions assist users in composing queries, facilitating a seamless and efficient conversation flow. 5. Voice interaction and accessibility. One of the notable additions to ChatGPT on iOS is support for voice interaction. Users can now engage in voice-based conversations with ChatGPT, enabling a more convenient and accessible experience. By simply speaking their queries, users can receive spoken responses from ChatGPT, making it easier to interact with the AI model on the go. The recent update for ChatGPT on iOS devices brings significant enhancements that empower users to have more accurate, engaging, and natural conversations with the AI language model. With improved accuracy, expanded knowledge, enhanced conversation handling, interactive prompts, and voice interaction support, ChatGPT offers a seamless and valuable conversational AI experience for iOS users. By embracing this update, users can leverage the power of ChatGPT to explore various domains, seek information, and engage in interactive discussions like never before.